Hello, my name's Alex. I'm a gardener in Melbourne and I am offering a free video gardening advice service during the current lockdown. I'm here in my Ascot Vale flower garden and it's getting a lot of attention, as is my veggie garden, my indoor plants, my native garden, my climbers. Everything's getting a lot more attention. So I've a lot of time on my hands and a lot of skills in horticulture, having run this business for 7 years in the local area. And if you are in lockdown and you're spending a bit more time in your garden and you'd like to pass anything past someone with a bit more experience, I would be happy to help. I have the time and I would be feel it's something that I can offer.
Mm, some of them aren't happy and some of them are, and I wasn't sure if it was about the repotting or about the spot.
So if that's you, do get in touch. I'm posting this on social media. You're welcome to get in touch and I'll see what I can arrange through the video chat, through Zoom or some other way. And if you have a plant in trouble or you just want to know what you should be looking for in your soil before you plant some seeds, or you have a interest in rearranging things, do let me know and we'll see what we can arrange. Okay, please stay safe and we'll get through this.